Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. For today's video, we are going to be doing a hair review from the company Nadula Hair. They sent me over a 26, I believe, a 26-inch headband wig. I know you guys have been seeing a lot of these wigs going around on YouTube and on social media and stuff like that. Basically, if you didn't know, the border is right here. As you guys know, a lot of, well, not a lot, as you guys, if you guys didn't know, there has been like a lace shortage going on lately in China and stuff like that, and they closed the border, so laces are getting a little bit harder to, you know, produce and stuff like that. So they have came up with the great idea of doing a headband wig. And when I tell you guys, when I seen this, I kind of was a little iffy, but when I tell you guys, when I did get this wig, I was kind of excited. Mainly because when I go to the gym, I always have this problem where when I do wear wigs, sometimes I'll just put on a cap. You guys, let me talk and do whatever I have to do. But first, what I am gonna do is I did put a black stocking cap. If you guys seen the previous, you know, video of me unpackaging the wig, you guys did see that they did provide a nudish wig cap, but I didn't really want to put that on there because I didn't want, when I put the wig, for the nude to show. So I just decided to go on with the black, but you can use the nude if you would like. But I got that on, and then I did leave a little bit hair out. Y'all don't laugh at me because my edges are a little sparse. Okay, they're a little sparse, so I'm just gonna try to sleek the little bit that I do have in the front. And yeah, really, I'm not doing this neat at all. I'm just, you know, literally just slapping some hair in the front to make it look a little bit more realistic. But like I was saying, I was kind of excited about these wigs, mainly because when I go to the gym and when I do wear wigs, most of the time it be closure wigs, and I kind of hate when I do have frontal wigs on. It's hard for me to, I would have to wear a headband with the frontal wigs because I don't want to sweat out the glue and stuff like that. And when I have closures, like, it would just get really sweaty, and I don't know, it's just a lot when it comes to wearing wigs when you do go to the gym consistently. So this wig is like perfect for people that are on the go and also goes to the gym very frequently. So, and when I tell you guys, as y'all can see, my edges are kind of was already done because I have been wearing this wig consistently ever since I got it. And when I tell y'all, this wig has been my best friend. Like, I literally been, you know, rocking it and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing on my head, but if y'all got edges, y'all can just, y'all know how to slick y'all edges. But all this isn't really gonna show, that's why I don't really care about how my edges really look. So right now I'm just, you know, somewhat trying to fleek this through. All right, boom. All right, so this is how the wig looks like, y'all. I haven't wet it or anything. This is the natural texture of the wig, and this and I would wrap it around my head. Like, yeah, I really like a real puffy bun. So I'd go like this. Like, I'll put it like close to the front of my head. And then now, as y'all can see in the beginning of the video, they did include a lot of different headbands, but I personally like mine because I like a solid color. Most of the ones that they sent had a lot of different colors, and like I said, I wanted a more solid color. So I would take my scarf, my old ass scarf, I would take it, I would do this little hairs in the front, which adds even more realistic look to it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, if you do want it to look more, you know, natural, and I would say get like a kinky curly hair, so I guess the texture could match a little bit better with your hair. Not saying that this doesn't match, because it still looks fine with my hair, but if you have more so of like a silky hair texture, it will blend in even better with your hair. but like I said, it still goes with it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys purchased any of these headband wigs before, and let me know how you style it. Do you style it up? Do you keep it down? Like, let me know, do you use your own scarf and stuff like that? But like I said, these wigs are really good for people that are on the go. Like I said, this took, without me, you know, talking to you guys, this literally takes me like less than 5 minutes to put on. And to be honest with you, I don't take this off when I go to sleep because it doesn't bother me when I sleep. And like I said, I like the messy look, so when I get up it looks messy, and like, I don't know, I just like that look. If you guys are interested in this wig, please make sure you guys check the description bar down below. It'll have all the information about this wig. And yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to press that subscribe button. We're almost at 10K. And yeah, but I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.